Moin Leute, and yeah, hello friends. So, part 2. Back again with the Dash 9s from Norbert. You see I make the track wires, the 4 track wires longer. The 2 KT1000 Tsunami arrived. So, new. You can put them in. It's easy, it's plug and play. Here are the 2 motor contacts, the 4 track wires, and 2 screws. That's it. So I choose the Simo small speaker with double-sided tape in the back, because when you put the speaker in the back, the sound is great. You have no kna sound. No plastic contacts when you put this on the Tsunami on this side. That's good. And you have the very dark sound like my ATSF Warbonnet. You see I've solder the special Tsunami contact wires. So now you can see in both I've installed the Tsunami and the speaker. I solder the longer track wires on the track wire contact on the Tsunami, and here's our speaker contact with a stick and cable. Now we program that and make a test run. Okay friends, and especially Norbert, your 2 Dash 9s are finished. Don't be afraid about the couplers. The KD don't arrive yet. And you say you will drive these 2 Dash 9s in consens, so I program them on the same address. You have 2 road numbers, the 9702 and the 9726. I program both models to 97. Okay, start up. You see, because you will drive in consens, the model has the same address. You see it when the light goes on. I program the 9702 forward and 9726 backwards. Both runs great and the sound is amazing. They are old Kados and quite smooth runners. I turn the sound off. Man, this is my main speed, and this Model 1's quite smooth and both exactly the same speed. I mean, handsome. Yeah, only the track and the lamp from outside. I like it. Now Norbert. Under the tank you can see the direction and the road number. Sorry, the decoder number. I put in a little piece of tape. You see the 97 and the direction. Muss mal ruhig sein.